what she was saying was, I did not like those at all. I amazingly feel absolutely nothing at her saying that.
So tell us what the before would have been. Tell us 6 months ago or 3 months ago, if that had happened.
Let's see, she would have did what she did, and I would have looked at her face. I would have read her face, and I would have gone, God, it's that bad. I'm so embarrassed. It's shit. I wonder if she'll like me as a friend, because she doesn't like my work. Before, I think I would have been crushed. And Jordan, rejection is just a 9-letter word, and she's an artist. So it's not like, oh, well, she doesn't know anything about art. No, she does. And nothing. I didn't feel anything, none of those things wafted through my mind at all. It's wonderful to be alive, and not have all this weight.
That is worth the price of admission to the series.
Absolutely.
Right there.
Yes.
Right there. That is worth the price of admission.
Yeah.
For sure.
What's interesting is I didn't feel like I needed to defend my work. Yeah. It was almost like it just passed over me. It just passed over me. I'm telling you, there's another thing that has been lifted. So I'm saying this is a good thing.